Hello, Shalom and welcome to How to Pronounce and Say in Hebrew. And word of the day in this lesson is sitcom. How do we say this in Hebrew? But first, sitcom is short for situation comedy. And now you will understand why there's long two words in Hebrew. So, situation comedy. So this is a construct state. Komedia, but in this form of construct state, komedia becomes komediat. 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 And מצבים, מצבים. מצב is situation, מצבים is situations. And together, קומדיית מצבים. קומדיית מצבים. You will find links to selected lessons in the description box below: Hebrew alphabet, Niqqud, derived stems, pronouns, and more. And until next time, להתראות בקרוב. See you soon.